Right, here we are, guys. Pressure cooker. We've had all these arguments, what's the best, what's not. So I'm going to show you ours. This should be fun. Press the button on the side, open. Put your stuff in, fill it all up, well, fill it up, you know, a litre of water, whatever. Lovely stew. Put the lid back on, press the button, it's shut. You turn that to number 2. When the steam starts, 10 minutes, all done. Let the steam out, you turn that to the puffer mark, there, in line with that. And then when the steam's all out, you just press the button on the side, lift the lid off. Now, how simple do you want that? Now this one is a Tefal Clipso. So very good make. They're not cheap, about £100, but that's going to last you years. One other thing, the seal inside the lid, as you can see here, is very easy to replace. It simply just pulls out. Very easy to clean, very easy to replace. There you go, guys. One pressure cooker, £100, last you years. Thanks for watching.